Hello viewers, welcome to NS Commerce Academy. I am Narsini Srinivas, Commerce of Faculty. Today I am going to explain BCom first semester Fundamentals of Information Technology Unit number 2 important short answers and essay type questions for examination purpose. Before going to start the topic, I am requesting you kindly subscribe my channel, press on bell button, give some likes. It will makes me a lot of encouragement to do further videos. Okay friends, come to the point. Important short answer questions from unit number 2. First one, write about hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number describes a base system 16 number system. That is, it is described a number system containing 16 sequential numbers as base units including 0 before adding a new position for the next number. Note that we are using 16 here as a decimal number to explain a number that would be 10 in hexadecimal. The hexadecimal numbers are 0 to 9 and then use the letters A to F. We show the equivalence of binary, decimal and hexadecimal numbers in the table below. Okay, next second question. Write about PROM and EPROM. PROM or Programmable Read-Only Memory is a computer memory chip that can be programmed once after it is created. Once the PROM is programmed, the information written is permanent and cannot be erased or deleted. PROM was first developed by Wen Xing Chou in 1956. An example of PROM is a computer BIOS in early computer systems. EPROM, Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory, is a programmable read-only memory, programmable RAM that can be erased and reused. Eraser is caused by shining an intense ultraviolet light through a window that is designed into the memory chip. Third question is random access memory or RAM. RAM stands for random access memory. As the name suggests, data or instructions could be accessed quickly, randomly from the RAM. It is a temporary or volatile memory. That is, whatever data or instruction in RAM would be lost when the computer is switched off. Also, when the program is being completed, executed, it is automatically removed from the RAM. The information stored in RAM could be read, written, modified, and erased. RAM stores the user's data, instructions, intermediate and final results temporarily. Next, fourth question, compact disk. Compact disk, also called as CD, is a small plastic disk which stores and retrieves computer data or music using light. Compact disk replaced floppy disks because they were faster and could hold more information. Fifth question, flash drive. Flash drive is a small, ultra-portable storage device which, unlike an optical drive or a traditional hard drive, has no moving parts. Flash drives connect to computer and other devices via a built-in USB. Type A plug, making a flash drive a kind of a combination of USB device and cable. Flash devices are often referred to as pen drives, thumb drives, or gem drives. The term USB drive and solid state drive SSD are also sometimes used, but most of the times those refers to larger and not so mobile USB based storage devices. Next, friends, I'm going to explain essay type or long answer questions. First one, what is number system? Explain various types of number systems. Number systems are the techniques to represent numbers in the computer system architecture. Every value that you are saving or getting into from computer memory has defined a number system. Computer architecture support following number systems that are binary number system, octal number system, decimal number system, hexadecimal number system. Binary number system. A binary number system has only two digits that are 0 and 1. Every number value represents with 0 and 1. In this number system, the base of binary system is 2 because it has only two digits. Next to octal number system. Octal number system has only 8 digits from 0 to 7. Every number value represents with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 in this number system. The base of a octal number system is 8 because it has only 8 digits. Next to decimal number system. Decimal number system has only 10 digits from 0 to 9. Every number system number value represents with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 in this number system. The base of decimal number system is 10 because it has only 10 digits. Hexadecimal number system. A hexadecimal number system has 16 alphanumerical values from 0 to 9 and A to N. Every number value represents with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, and F in this number system. The base of hexadecimal number system is 16. The because it has 16 alphanumerical values. Here A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14 and F is 15. Table of the number system with base used digits representation, C language representation. Okay. So here we are having the number systems, binary number system, base value 2, octal number base value 2, 8, decimal base value 10, hexadecimal base value 16. Used digits in binary 0 and 1, in octal 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, decimal number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hexadecimal number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A, B, C, D, E, F. Examples so 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, base 2, 360, base 8, 240, base 10, FO, base 16. Like that, we are having the information regarding the number system. Number systems are two types. These are non-positional number systems and positional number systems. Non-positional number system. Since prehistoric times, the human beings began counting on their fingers. For counting beyond 10, they started using stones, pebbles, or sticks to mark or indicated the value. This kind of counting uses an additive approach or the non-positional number. In the system, we use symbols to indicate the value. Each symbol represents the same value regardless of its position in a number system. And to find value of a number, one has to count the number of symbols present in the numbers. For example, value of 1 can be represented with a single line, 2 with double lines, 3 with triple lines, 4 with 4 lines, and so on. The disadvantage of using a non-positional number system is that it is very difficult to perform arithmetical calculations with such as a number system. In response to this positional number system were developed. Positional number system. In positional number system, there are only few symbols called digits. A digit is a numeral symbol used in combinations to represent a numbers in positional number systems. These symbols represent different values depending upon the positions they occupy in number. Next, come to the point two. The value of each digital in such number determined by the three considerations. First one, the digit itself. Second, the position of the digits in the number. Third, the base or radix of the number system. The base or radix is usually the number of unique digits, including zero, that positional number systems uses to represent numbers. The base of an integer that is greater than 1 or less than negative 1, because a radix of 0 would not have any digits, and a radix of 1 would have only 0 digits. Negative bases are rarely used. In a system with a negative radix, numbers may have many different position possible representations. For example, for the decimal system, the radix is 10, because it is uses 10 digits from 0 through 9 to represent the number, any number. When number hits 9, the next number will not be another different symbol, but 1 is followed by a 0. In binary, the radix is 2. Since after it hits 1 and instead of 2 or another written symbol, it jumps straight to 10, followed by the 11 and 100. Next question, distinction between RAM and ROM. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇక్కడ మనకు ర్యాండమ్ యాక్సెస్ మెమరీ, రీడ్ ఓన్లీ మెమరీ మధ్యలో డిఫరెన్సెస్ గురించి ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్ అడగడం జరిగింది. ఫస్ట్ డిఫరెన్స్ చూద్దాము. ర్యామ్ తీసుకున్నట్లయితే, డాటా ఇన్ ర్యామ్ ఈజ్ volatile. Data is present only till power supply is present. Whereas read-only memory, data is ROM is non-volatile. Data remains even there is no power supply. Next, second difference. The data in RAM can be read, modified or erased. Whereas in ROM, the data in ROM can only be read. Third difference. The data that is required for current instructions processing is stored in RAM. The data required to boots startup the computer is stored in RAM. Fourth difference, speed of RAM is more, whereas speed of ROM is slower than RAM. Fifth difference, data in RAM can be accessed by CPU, whereas ROM, CPU can access data in ROM after copying it in the RAM. Sixth difference, RAM memory is large and its capacity is high, whereas ROM is generally small and its capacity is low. RAM is used in primary memory. RAM is used by microcontrollers as firmware. Next, cost of RAM is high, cost of ROM is less than RAM. Okay. Next, come to the fourth question. What is data storage? What are its types? Data storage is the storing of information data in a storage medium, DNA and RNA, handwriting, phonographic recording, magnetic tape, or optical disc are all examples of storage media. The recording is accomplished by virtually any form of energy. Electronic data storage requires electrical power to store and retrieve data. Data storage in a digital machine readable medium is sometimes called a digital data. Computer data storage is one of the core functions of a general purpose computer. Electronic documents can be stored in much less space than the paper documents. Barcodes and magnetic ink character recognitions (MICRs) are two ways of recording machine readable data on paper. Different types of commercial data storages. These methods assume that you would create your own data storage mechanism. There are also EMS, EMSC products that would already created for collecting standard national data tables. Database programs, Microsoft Access, Oracle, SQL Server, and advantage of these database programs. Information is stored as a complete record. You can easily query the data and create new variable or data subsets. In many applications, you can create a user interface for entering data. Disadvantage requires time and technical skills to initially design the database and set various next spreadsheet programs and statistical programs are the database programs. Next, last but not least, what is memory? Explain different between primary memory and secondary memory. Primary storage. Primary storage devices can store and retrieve data as they are fed into it. The memory of a computer is the most important component of CPU. All data and programs used in it is called internal storage because it is usually occupies the same physical enclosure as the CPU. The development of semiconductor silicon memory chips helped the computer to retain data and programs instructions. The instructions retained in the chips can initiate input-output operations and processing functions. Secondary data. These are the also known as auxiliary storage for the mass storage of program and files which are not currently being operated on but can be transferred to main storage when required. It is a permanent storage medium. This has also to be online to the CPU and allow when required. It is a permanent storage medium. The CPU allows ready access to the data during processing. These devices enable a computer system to process gate processing potentiality by expanding the CPU ability. Okay, friends, now come to the differences. Here we are having four or five differences are there. First one, primary storage. Second one is secondary storage. Primary storage refers to the main memory such as the random access memory. Secondary storage refers to auxiliary memory, external memory or secondary memory. Primary storage holds data or instructions that are currently in use. Secondary storage uses the storage data and retrieve data or information on a long-term basis. Primary storage is a volatile memory. Secondary storage is a non-volatile memory. Primary storage data is directly accessed by the CPU. In secondary storage, data is not directly accessed by the CPU. In primary storage, data is lost when the device loses power. In secondary storage, data is not intact even when the device loses power. In primary storage, common examples of primary storage includes RAM, ROM, and egg memory. Common examples of secondary storage devices includes HDD, CD, DVD, floppy disk, flash disk, etc. Okay, friends. So with this, I am concluding the topic. Okay. Thank you, one and all. Thank you, friends.